Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your classroom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. You just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here. So you will find apps, click on it. Then you come to next step here and here you're looking for classroom. Or just click on search, then here add classroom. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to next step here, click here on force stop, click on OK. So then you go down here, just click on storage. Come to storage list, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.